If you've seen Meta App Manager in your settings and thought it looked suspicious, you're not alone. Let's break down exactly what it does and whether it's something you actually need. What is Meta App Manager? Meta App Manager is a background system app developed by Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It comes pre-installed on many Android phones. You won't see it on your home screen, but it runs silently in the background. What does it actually do? In simple terms, it manages Meta apps on your phone, updates apps like Facebook and Instagram, fixes bugs and improves performance, connects different Meta apps, helps deliver personalized content. Think of it like Google Play services, but only for Meta apps. Here's the part most people don't know. Even if you don't use Facebook, this app can still run in the background. It may connect to Meta servers, it can track app usage behavior, and it works even without opening Meta apps. That's where privacy concerns come in. Is it safe or not? It's not malware or a virus. It's a legitimate system app, but it runs constantly. It may collect data, and you don't fully control it. So it's safe, but not completely privacy-friendly. Should you remove it? Keep it if you use Facebook or Instagram regularly. You want smoother performance and updates. Disable it if you don't use Meta apps. You want better privacy. You want to reduce background activity. Can you delete it? Most phones won't let you uninstall it completely, but you can. Go to Settings, Apps, Meta App Manager, tap Disable, restrict background activity. This is the safest way to stop it. So now you know, Meta App Manager isn't dangerous, but it's not essential either. And if you want more detailed information, you can check out the full article link in the description. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel for more simple tech breakdowns like this.